So I told my friend that I'm gonna take this content thing serious. So Tenge mics. I think ndifuna ukwenza i-gym vlog. But they try out, yabo. But ke ngoku, yeah.
Disclaimer: I am not a certified personal trainer. Please get assistance from a professional when needed. Let's get to our warm-ups. Please stretch before warming up. Everything you do, you must repeat 4 times. If you see me skipping reps, just know I did them off camera. Warming up helps with blood circulation and getting your body warm for the real work.
So you'll be repeating those 4 times. It counts zakho, which is reps zakho. Repetitions. Washa should be 10 to 12. Now I do 20, 15, 12, then 10. So it's up to you, right? The energy up. So yeah, let's get to. I'm still warming up though, so but second exercise, you'll warm it up. Make sure you don't open widely. Give J space so that ungabi na balance. You see? And that is the second exercise. Repeat 4 times. Yeah? Don't forget to stay hydrated. In between sets, make sure you water. Guys, your reps is happening. Make sure you change weights. So when I'm at 5, but now I changed to 10. So from set 1, I use lightweight, more reps. And then second set, heavier weight, less reps. Jalo jalo until the last set. The last set is your highest weight and your lowest reps. So and the T is bamba 20, and then the reps is gonna be 10. And please comment down below and tell me how I'm doing. Am I doing this right? Should I stop? So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like, because this is for you. This is for you. I'm doing a 20. So let's go. I think these weights are too big. They don't allow me to go down. And I need to go down. I need to go down. But they're not allowing me to go as low as I would like to. But yeah. Send you laugh, so you rather finish. And then this is me done the warm up here. Oh my god, that was hectic. It's probably my first official workouts because those were warm-ups. So and so this is gonna be my first official workout. Cable kicks. So let's get into it. Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you want to buy eyelashes, guys, eyelashes. If you want to do makeup, she does makeup. So yeah, I'm a girl's girl. So what it is? Let's go. Now I'm gonna do one plate. So yeah, I think one plate is 2 So say about 12 kgs. So you wanna bend down, get straight, and then up. Never try and do go by, but you can't even try go by. But someone needs to full up ending. So you wanna bend in and then you kick. Make sure your six pack when you go down, and then when you push as well. So again, ne? So we're gonna do 20 of these. I don't know what that count was, but I think we did 5, 6, 7. Make sure exercises, guys, you don't rush them. Yabo? Make sure we are Yabo? Nige uventuleni. Yeah. I try my best, guys. But will try again next time. Yabo? Okay. Let's take a break. And then we do another tip. Hope niyan barela up. 3, 4. Fuck. That's painful, my ass. And that I choose to blend out. Maybe choose that way, guys. I went to your 6. 7. One bed when I bought a pattern like 8, 9, 10. You then change legs. Okay. You then change legs, guys. I didn't do it on that, but here it to go and go gym. Yeah. No, don't follow me now. So you then change legs, guys. Make sure you take it breaks like careful, so that you can recover. Oh, so yeah, make sure you take breaks in between exercise so that the muscle are going at you like overweight. I am not a certified personal trainer, but yeah. It's 10, guys. Shit. Oh, guys. Oh my god. Let's do it again. 5 more to go. Let's go, guys. 3. Oh shit. 4. Yeah, 5. Shit. Here we go. Drink some water. Okay. In between sets, stay hydrated. I had a creatine with amino energy for my session, so now it's 10. I'm gonna cut them right here. Here. But it's because me and him take creatine at wrong. So yeah, let's get into it. So you repeat that 4 times, guys. I'm not gonna do 4 sets and come in. But yeah, I'll do 4 sets and then exercise 1 will be done. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys on the next exercise, okay? So guys, it's 164. I mean like 4 sets each leg. So we are doing 4 this side and 4 on the other side. So yeah, I said I'm not gonna do it on camera, but let's just do it. Cause we're in yellow over. Let's go. We shall try. This weight is way heavy. Oh my god. This is our wife. Okay. We'll try. So you have to challenge yourself, guys. You have to what? Challenge yourself, man. That's right. Remember, your tummy is always tucked. So, never always finish a six pack. Because it can't now never passes. Four. Shit. Wow. Hi, Bo. It's an alternate to me. It's an alternate to me. Why is it there? My babe, why are you here? Why are you not following me? All I know is, oh, she in. There you. You must follow me, eh? One more time, okay? And nobody else. Okay. Guys, if it were like a sana, so I had to maneuver my way out of the situation. So we were on the second rep, leg 1, and I already did 10 reps, but now I'm gonna be doing 5 reps. So, Sam, taking your sisu, 4, then the second one. Make sure. Deliver about it 20 out over yes. But who AJ told me about it too. Deliver. So let's try. If forms them guys will improve along the way. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was fucked up. See ya. 3. Let's go. 4. Yeah, let's go. Better. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shit. My ass is burning. My ass. I am Jaja. That's AJ, guys. Yeah, Jaja. Usmo is our personal trainer, so I want him to confirm that iweya how much? Le bar alone. Okay. Come confirm quickly. Le bar alone iweya how much?
20 kgs.
Repeat.
20 kgs.
Thank you. So this is Gora. This is Gora, guys. Okay. So but when I was nge-weight yakho nolindo utsho nobethusile uba hamba ngalamandla unawo. Ungasisi nge-weight and do i-exercise erongo, guys, because uzozilimaza ntoni? Uzozilimaza umzimba. Uzozilimaza umzimba. So let's try to do the RDLs. And take formula judge. We are gonna improve on the way. I forgot my gloves. Okay, I always do, but yeah. RDLs just below your knees. Yeah, just below your knees. I don't know why this camera is going that side, but on that side. Honey, you are misbehaving again. So let me just and the end of she in this. Yes, let's just do what we have to do, guys, and see again. You see, it's not even like I participate. Like I not shalam. Why does I hang up? Guys, she in when I catch you. When I catch you. So guys, more reps, less weight. Less reps, more weight. 20 to 10. We don't do 8 here. Okay? So it's gonna be 10. I think don't get a 5. Sorry, and then don't get a 2.5. And then I think I'm gonna repeat the same weight because I'm not trying to kill myself. I'm not trying to do that, girlies. Okay, let's try. So make sure Zula is out. You're always in Zula out to also in the exercises, right? So Uchiga Umache, Uchiga right here. It's RDLs, not deadlift. The more you go down, wide. Okay, just to stretch that muscle. Yeah, okay. Sam, hope you're counting for me. Sam, if I'm doing this wrong, I'll make sure I'll do it correct on that. Next. Smooth. I'm not sure if we are ma, but else any. I just want to make sure that I'm doing the right thing. Let me. But let me just check this on YouTube and come back, okay? I don't want you to judge me. Come. I am back. So we don't, instead of ukunusa like this, we keep it inside also. Yeah? See? So instead of bending out, you keep it in. Eba? Keep it. What the hell did I just do? So you are squeezing these in. Okay, let's go. Oh, I get you now. Squeezing you out. But make sure you still stretch your ass and going down. And then when you're going up, make sure you squeeze the ears. Make sure thigh is close to your knees. Cool. Okay, that's burning. It's burning. By the way, guys, I do sell these 400. 400, guys. This thing is. I sell gymwear, I sell thermal belt, I sell tea, detox tea, I sell smooth gel, whatever you need. The corner. Who's for zonke? This is for zonke. But this set is from Feli Fitness, my girl Noxie. I thought, why not support each other, you know? So yeah, please go in numbers and order yours as I wait on my new range of swimsuits. Let's support each other. Huh? Let's support each other. Each other. Akajika umamzo. Akajika umamzo. Yeah. I love my old people, okay? I love my old people. So let's try again. So I'll out. So you keep it in and then you go down. Let's go. If you put 21 bands, I'm crazy. Let's add some weight. That was my first rep. That's 20. Second set. We're doing straight 15. Let's try. I've added weights. 5, 5. So it's 15, 15 plus the 20 year bar. When I get up, I'm going to now. Now so let's go. 1, 2, let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6, let's go. 7, 8, 9, my ass is back. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. I need my gloves. 5. Oh. I need my gloves. And I need water. Oh. Shit. Repeat that for set. The first set. So I'm going to add more weight on the third one and the fourth one. So I'm adding more weight. Ingangilandeli game ke. Please. Ngibehave ngihlale endaweni ehleli kuyo. Cause yona iyazilawula mos. Iyazilawula. Oh my god. There you go. It's not gonna even follow me now. Imagine. Imagine. Let's do my thing. So we're doing 12 ngoku. More weight, less reps. More reps, less weight. Okay. Let's go. Shit, that was heavy. That was fucking heavy. Oh my god, I'm getting nausea. Okay. Let's just do it, okay? Nothing against me shall prosper. Let's go, my baby girl. We can do this. Of course we can. Hey, when Jay? What's up, doing? What's up? Where are you from, guys? 4, let's go. 5, let's go. 6, make sure your 6 pack is squeezed in. What's up? We're hitting a 12. We're hitting a 12. Did that's a fucking 12. Then you roughly call. The 4th one off camera. Off camera, okay? I'm gonna see you on the next exercise. Tonight I had to go to toilet. Because because look like you know. And always 7 make sure you economize. Yeah, yeah. Okay, let's try this. What time on your wife now? Why is doing nosy? And yes, well, I got 10. But mobile. Wow. Because you know, like hip thrust. Yeah. Hip thrust. Up against the ones at 10, 10, 10 because the weight is heavy. Okay. The belly layer is to be safe and to do the right thing. Yes. My chicken is I'm going to cousins. Pray for me. Let's try. 1. Yes, and that guys. 2. Yes, and yes, and let's do. Okay, Kanye, let's go find that black thing here. It's not like it's different. I never caused you. More joking about it. Let's just try. Jesus. I don't want to change the weight. That's the problem. I don't want to change the weight. I feel like I want to challenge myself. But anyway, anyway, I'm like, let's try to puchuka. Don't me. Don't know which this side. Chibukelo up. Chibukelo. Don't me. Aman. In this yes. Get there like this. I feel like it's in a I feel like kucala ini. Ele. Okay, let's try. It's 5. Yes, what is this doing? 6, 7, 8, 9, and all. 10. Mm. Mm-mm. Oh my god. Oh wow. Yes. Mm-mm. Okay. Anyway, let's try. Yeah, then. Mm. Phew. Oh, salalam. Woo. Gosh. I did it. I did it. I did it. If you believe you can, of course you will. I'm gonna do my third and fourth one offset, off camera. So I'm fitting in. I feel like they're ready for my fitting. I'm thinking about these belts again. Which one am I finding? Which one are they? By the funnels. Drink your water. Fitting in a row. Oh my god. Kuthiweba impumbu ngokusendiyekile ujima. Impumbu iyathweba. One thing about this exercise, iyazikhulisa mimi. Iyazikhulisa. So, then. So now we're gonna do the seated curl rise. Yeah. Let's get it, guys. Guys, it's inzima. Very hectic. And again, there is someone that is using the machine in Kamkwam, so I don't want to show her because I don't want to make anyone uncomfortable. You know, this again. Select. I'm gonna do it, guys. I'm gonna do it. So let's try. Let's start with 35. Just for control. One. Simulele masiso. 7. Let's go. That was painful. So no breathe there. Apa guys. Send that E. Hamstring. Sound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh shit, oh fuck. Oh, yeah, Eva. Yeah, Eva. Is the mic still on? It's on. Guys, yeah, Eva. And that was 20. First rep. Let's go to 50 reps. Get it? You can do it? Yep. I can do it. Let's go, pretty girl. 1, 2. Tuck in your tummy. 3, 4, 5, 6. Fucking shit. Hey. 6. Come on.
Guys, yaphela ibhetri ndisajima but ndigqibile. Now I'm just reading a chapter kule ncwadi, Powerful Thinking by Joyce Meyer. Just a one chapter and then ndigoduke ndiphandle ejimeni ngoku, just 8. Nditye chicken breasts, carrots and spinach. So let me just read this chapter and go home, and then I think I'm gonna write my prayer on Zintle. So ndizilike task yoba every day I read a chapter of le ncwadi until ndiphele, and then every day I write a prayer. Let's say a prayer for my business, a prayer for my mental health, a prayer for love, a prayer for family. Each and every day I do that, or I skip days, but whenever I feel like I write those prayers down, and then when I have my own space, and stick them on my wall or room. So yeah, okay. So yeah guys, let me just read and go home. Just want to read the heading and a little bit of this chapter. It says, because I am in Christ, I will not live in fear. And then it is 2 Timothy chapter 1 verse 7. 80, for the Spirit God gave us does not make us timid, but gives us power, love and self-discipline. And then go say a chapter. So after every chapter there's like in the opala kuyo and then opale what you are willing to change or do to improve to improve your thinking, your don't. So until the power of fear is broken into our lives, we are not free to do what is in our hearts or to follow God, to fulfill his good plan for our lives, and to enjoy all the blessings he wants to give us. We simply must refuse to allow fear to control us. Fear brings torment, and it rules our lives. We cannot enjoy anything we do. But when we are free from fear, we can live joyful lives of peace, satisfaction, and blessing. Keep that in mind. Now let me read. Bye. Hey guys, I feel like you guys need to hear this. How fear operates. Fear can absolutely paralyze us, which is why Satan uses it to steal from us in many ways. For example, the fear that we will not be accepted as we are causes us to develop phony personalities that stifle our true selves and hide who God has made us to be. The fear of failure prevents us from trying new things or reaching beyond our comfort zones. The fear of failure can cause us not to enjoy the present. I believe fear is the devil's tool to keep us unhappy, frustrated, and out of God's will. It drains our courage, gives us a negative viewpoint, and prevents us from making progress. Destinies are destroyed because of fear. Fear of pain, fear of discomfort, fear of lack, fear of sacrifice, fear of life is going to be hard, fear of losing friends, fear of being alone, fear of losing our reputation, fear that no one will understand us, fear that we are missing God, and on and on. Honey, it's called powerful thinking. Get yourself these. Get yourself this from Take a Lot. It's Powerful Thinking by Joyce Meyer.